screen.
Okay, Vijay sir.
Unmute madam immediately.
Okay, wait sir, wait, I'm searching for her.
Good evening, everybody.
Good evening, ma'am.
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 Good evening,
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Start, Apurva, start. Madam already shared the screen. Madam already started. Your voice is not coming, Apurva.
Sir, am I audible now?
Yes, now Apurva.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much for confirming. Good evening and welcome our very honorable, very respectable Dr. Nisha Pishin ma'am. Ma'am, I welcome you on the behalf of entire DAV family of our Bihar Zone F Buxar cluster. I welcome you personally here at this platform. Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving us your precious time. We are truly obliged with your presence today. So, in your presence and with expectations to get your words of wisdom, I would like to begin today's session with your blessings, ma'am. So once again, good evening and welcome to all the delegates, to all the respected principals, to all the respected resource persons and all the participants here in this valediction and feedback ceremony conducted by DAV Public School, Bihar Zone F, Buxar Cluster. This is the valediction program which was conducted by us under the aegis of DAV Center for Academic Excellence, New Delhi, for the capacity building program for 3 days for primary, middle and secondary level and senior secondary itself. We have given our 3 days for the better enrichment of all of us for learning the new things, to groom ourselves a lot. I, Apurva Verma, the resource person as well as educator from BSDAV Public School, Mill Road, Nawada, Ara, belongs to DAV Bihar Zone F, Buxar Cluster. Welcome you all here for the very better and genuine and authentic reason of this valediction ceremony. I again warmly welcome Dr. Nisha Pishin ma'am here with us. I would like to say a few words about her first. She is not only a person, she is not a person with just a normal traits and personality. I mean, I'm having lack of words to beautify her this beautiful appearance and personality. As far as I know about her, she has played a path-breaking role as curriculum development officer in DAV CMC and has been instrumental in designing and developing textbooks and educational materials from class nursery till class 8th for all DAV public schools, introduced in over 550 DAV public schools in India. Her endeavors in conceptualizing and designing early education development program, school improvement programs, training programs for DAV school teachers are laudable. Director, public schools, her zeal is always to innovate as director. Public schools has inspired others to constantly improve and adopt with changing times. She is also a great believer of sharing best practices and encourages all schools to do the same. Dr. Nisha Pishin ma'am is truly a beacon of light, inspiring all of us to think anew and move ahead. She is not only a versatile personality, but she possesses a charismatic personality with very positive thoughts and approaches. She is a true and live inspiration of women empowerment. She is an example for all of us. She has taught us multiple ways to groom and enhance the real educator from within. I think I have scarcity of words once I will start speaking something about her. in her favor. Madam, again, with folded hands, I welcome you warmly here. And thank you so much, ma'am, for your presence here.
Thank you so much for having me. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. So with your blessings and in your presence, I would like to go ahead in our session. And as we know, that DAV is not only an organization, but it's a unique trust which was founded in 1885 by the great humanitarian and a social reformer, Mahatma Hans Raj. DAV is an inspiration for other public schools. DAV is well known for its special traits of Western features, as well as the scientific approaches and attitudes towards education, as well as the Vedic cultures and the philosophies and ideas of Vedic culture. That's why DAV is unique in itself. Being a DAVian is truly a blessing and, of course, a sense of pride and honor for all of us. Not only for us as teachers, as principals, and the part of DAV, but for students as well as for parents. So definitely, it's a great sense of pride. So let's begin today's valediction program and ceremony with Gayatri Mantra. As I told already, that we believe in Vedic culture, tradition, as well as in scientific approach towards education. So I request all of us to join our hands together so that we will begin with Gayatri Mantra, and then we will go forward towards the next phase of today's event. I request all of you to switch on your cameras and to join your hands and be ready for Gayatri Mantra. I request Vijay sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Please, are you sharing, sir? Are you playing it?
No, ma'am. Deepak sir is there.
Oh. Thank you so much, Deepak sir, for your cooperation, and thank you so much for sharing this screen with us. So, by the mantrocharan of Gayatri Mantra, we feel some, enlightenment within. We feel some positive energy which brightens and lightens our day and which help us to think about and to plan about the day. So, with the blessings of Gayatri Mantra, let's begin and go ahead towards the next phase of this valediction ceremony. And now I request all of you to please stand in the respect and in honor of DAV anthem now, because it's time for DAV anthem. So I request all the participants, whosoever has joined us here, to go forward and be ready for DAV anthem, because it's turn for DAV anthem now. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to all of you for paying your respect towards our DAV anthem. Now let's move forward. Now I request our very respectable and very honorable, our Assistant Regional Direct Officer of our Bihar Zone F, Dr. Ashish Kumar Jaina sir, to come forward, who is very constructive dreamer, who is always ready to support all of us, who is very cooperative by nature, who is a very learned man, and who is always ready and eager to share her experiences to learn and to grow ourselves. So we are ready and we are feeling truly obliged with your presence here, sir. And I request you to come forward for the welcome speech, sir. I request our very honorable ARO, sir, Ashish Kumar Jaina, sir. Over to you, sir. Thank you.
Namaste, most reverend, our source of inspirations, Reverend Dr. Poonam Shuri, President, DAV College Managing Committee, a stalwart of DAV family, and man of infinite possibilities, most reverend, our most dynamic leader, pillar of DAV, and the persons who is behind all the upliftment, right from academic, publication divisions, administrations, siege, no other than our Honorable Director, PS2, Director, CAE, most respected Dr. Ma'am Nisha Paishin, respected DRO, Sri S.K. Jha sir, Muzaffarpur and Patna zone, respected Dr. V.A. Shojha sir, DRO, Patna zone, respected Mr. R. Roy, ARO, Patna zone, respected Mr. Neeraj Kumar, ARO, Samastipur zone, and respected Mr. K.K. Sinha sir, ARO, Barauni, all master trainer and learned my colleague. I am really honored and privileged to welcome our most reverend Ma'am Dr. Nisha Paishin. I am really blessed and eagerly waiting her blessings and few words of wisdom, and that will become instrumental for we all peoples, right from our principals, our teachers, to take the excellence of DAV as per the desire of common peoples as well as our management. Respected ma'am, last 3 days we have started this webinar. This webinar, for designing this webinar, our teachers means master trainers and principals work together. Oftenly, we conducted meeting in virtual mode, how to design these programs, and finally, we come to conclusions, the best of some parameter. We have decided to save this webinar as a 4 sessions with different topics like capacity building programs, subject enrichment, and other topics which will be very much helpful in these pandemic situations, and that's also helpful to entertain or to provide some mental health to our loving children as well as parents. Ma'am, in that dimension, we have themed the different topics, and our master trainer last 3 days, they have done a wonderful job, and our participant also expressed their satisfactions and their solidarity in this webinar. Ma'am, more than 300 participants from our zone as well as from out of this state. They have enjoyed, they have interacted with our master trainer, which earned the faith and sanctity of this program. With these words, once again, I welcome you all, and my special respect to our most honorable Director Ma'am, Dr. Nisha Pesin, that in spite of our busy schedule, today she is on way. In spite of that busy schedule, she has kind enough to provide us some time to give us light and enlighten us. With these words, once again, I extend my deep regard from my core of heart to the Honorable Ma'am and DAV management, for whom we are here. Namaste and have a good day.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your precious words. And you truly and very well expressed. We are truly obliged with her presence today. And I'm feeling like that now this program, this event is going to be successful with Madam's presence. And definitely all of us, all the resource persons have done a very commendable job. They have given their best for the enrichment and to explore various ideas, to exchange the knowledge and thoughts among their colleagues and all. Definitely and certainly. So let's come closer to the feedback round, and let's get to know about the feedback round also. Let's know from the participants what's their opinion, what's their view about these 3 days of workshops conducted by all of us. And first of all, I would like to know this feedback from Niharika Verma, who belongs to EEDP program and who is a mentor and educator from DAV Buxar. Again, I would like to say that this EEDP program was started by none other than one and only our respectable Dr. Nisha Pesin ma'am. So thank you so much once again, ma'am, for this kind of thoughts and for beginning these kinds of new innovative ideas here. So now over to you, Niharika ma'am. Please share your feedback. Niharika ma'am, am I audible to you? Niharika ma'am, I think sir, we can't reach her right now. No worries. Let's go to somebody else now. Arinja sir, are you here? Let's start calling the names randomly here. Arinja sir, are you here? Arinja sir, who belongs to science from DAV Buxar. Arinja sir, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much for confirming, sir. Sir, I would like to know about your thoughts and the experiences, whatever we all team achieved through the workshop. Sir, kindly do share your experiences.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Honorable Director, ma'am, Reverend Principal cum AROs and DROs, sir, from DAV BR zone, Principal cum ARO 3 AK Jana, sir, respected subject coordinators, especially the subject coordinator Sri Palmanab Dhal, sir, respected all principals of Bihar Zone F, and all dignitaries, as well as my expert mentors. I would like to extend my deep regards to all of you. I would also like to extend my warm welcome to the different participants, those who are participating in 3 days webinar from the different places of India, basically in the science stream, Vaisali ma'am and Sarita ma'am from Ahmedabad and Haryana. Once again, good afternoon to one and all. As per my opinion, we all participated here in the 3 days webinar, and on the first day, in my faculty, 4 mentors were there: Mr. Neeraj sir, Rakesh sir, Arundhati ma'am, and Mr. C.B. Gupta sir. They all have taught us very well, and they have taught us several tips and techniques regarding national new education policy, uses of the software, need of care in the pandemic situations, and the easy methods to demonstrate online experiments among the students. On the second day, we have learned to apply the mobile software programs and some techniques to frame the questions, evaluate the copies, soft copies, and to keep the records by Mr. Rakesh Kumar Singh sir. Neeraj sir has taught us regarding the blended technique, the blended teaching methods, which are now the demand to increase or enhance the learning attitude among the students. On the third day, Mr. Rakesh sir has taught us about how to work in Google Form and in PDF editor so that we can prepare the questions as well as simultaneously we can evaluate all these things and keep the records. Arundhati ma'am taught us about the seat plan in this pandemic situation and how we should arrange the seat of students in a class following the SOP. All these presentations were marvelous and splendid. Sir, I assure you all the dignitaries as well as the chairperson that after the completion of this webinar, whenever we will go to our classes, there certainly we will apply these techniques to improve our teaching learning process, either online, offline, or by the hybrid mode. Sir, I am very much thankful to Sri Padmanabh Dhal sir for his precious time to time guidance, and I would like to extend my regards to Sri A.K. Jana sir for arranging such type of webinar under the aegis of DAV CAE. Time to time for our improvement. I also extend my respect and heartiest regards to Honorable Director Ma'am for sparing her valuable time to bless we people in her pious presence. At last, I would like to thank one and all. Thank you and namaste.
Thank you so much, Arinja sir, for sharing your experiences. And by your side, we become familiar with the names as well from this stream, and we become get to know about the resource persons also, those who have done that commendable. Thank you so much, Arinja sir. Now I request.
Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Now I request one participant from English to share their experiences, and for that I would like to call Mithun Samanta sir. Please. Can you please share your valuable feedback or the experiences, whatever we achieved from these 3 days?
Thank you, ma'am, for giving the opportunity to share my views.
Thank you, sir.
Respected Nisha Peshin ma'am, respected A.K. Jana sir, principals of different schools, and dignitaries, resource persons, teachers. I participated in the workshop. All the sessions, honestly, I participated actively. I participated in discussion. I participated as a master trainer also, and being a participant, being a master trainer, I enjoyed a lot. I learned many new things which I was not knowing. From this webinar, I learned a lot. As a teacher, I shall try to implement what I have learned in my own class. When I shall take class, I shall try to implement the things which I have learned from this. So this is all. No more today. Again, namaste to all of you, and thanks.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your words. Okay, so now let's go forward. And now I would like to call forward our very respectable Principal Sir from DAV Poshali, Honorable and respectable Dr. Vijay Kumar Sir, who is a literate of Hindi and who is a very learned person. I request to come forward to share her experiences about this 3 days of webinar about capacity building. And I would like to say that he has taken the responsibility for the smooth conduction of webinar for primary and middle level for the subject of Hindi. I request Vijay Kumar sir to please come forward and to share his experiences.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
सबसे पहले तो मैं इस समापन सत्र में शामिल होने वाले अपने तमाम बिहार के क्षेत्रीय पदाधिकारी, अपने बिहार प्रक्षेत्र के बक्सर जोन श्री जाना साहब,
Yes, sir.
Voice is not coming.
I think, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I think, sir. Vijay, sir. I think you have muted yourself, sir. Please check once.
हेलो.
Hi, yes, sir. Now you are audible. Please continue. Thank you for confirming.
थैंक यू. और जितने भी प्रतिभागी शामिल हुए, चाहे साइंस का विषय हो, चाहे लिटरेचर का विषय हो, सभी 3 दिन से इसमें बड़े ही तन्मयता के साथ शामिल हुए. मैं तो चूंकि हिंदी विषय के साथ जुड़ा हुआ था, तो मैंने अपने हिंदी के तमाम जितने भी प्रतिभागी थे, लगभग 40 प्रतिभागी, जिसमें से 10 प्रतिभागी अदर स्टेट के भी थे. अमृतसर से, पंजाब से, हरियाणा से ढेर सारे प्रतिभागी भी जुड़े हुए थे, लगभग 10 लोग. और ये परिचर्चा चलती रही 3 दिनों से और हम उसमें शामिल रहे. इसके लिए मैं सबसे पहले अपने डायरेक्टर सर का आभार व्यक्त करता हूं कि आज के इस कठिन दौर में भी उन्होंने इस तरह से एक सफल आयोजन करने का बीड़ा उठाया और हम लोगों ने उसे मूर्त रूप में स्पष्ट किया. मैडम, रह गई बात कि जो 3 दिनों तक साहित्य की जो चर्चा हुई, हिंदी भाषा, हिंदी विषय, हिंदी शिक्षण, उसकी कला और क्या क्या परेशानियां आती हैं क्लास के अंदर, इन सारी बातों की बड़ी ही विशद चर्चा हुई. और मुझे खुशी है कि सब लोग, जितने भी प्रतिभागी शामिल हुए, जो बाहर से भी थे, उन्होंने भी इसमें हिस्सा लिया और खुलकर चर्चा की. हर एक टीचर के साथ, हर एक स्कूल के साथ कुछ न कुछ नई नई बातें होती रहती हैं और उसको सभी ने शेयर किया कि हिंदी विषय को किस तरह से ज़्यादा प्रभावशाली बनाया जाए, बच्चों के बीच ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा उसके प्रति बच्चों में रुझान पैदा हो. सारी बातों की चर्चा हुई. उतने डिटेल्स में समय बहुत कम है, जाना मुश्किल है, लेकिन मैं इसका निचोड़ निश्चित तौर पे कहना चाहूँगा, क्योंकि हमारे हिंदी के तमाम प्रतिभागी सुन रहे होंगे। मैंने उन्हें कहा था कि आज आप लोगों ने जो 3 दिनों तक इस कार्यशाला को संपूर्ण किया है, मैं उसके संबंध में आपको अंत में बताऊंगा। मैडम, अमूमन ऐसा होता है, इंद्रियां तो सब में एक जैसी होती हैं, बच्चों में भी होती हैं, हमारे अंदर भी होती हैं। श्रोता हो, वक्ता हो, सहचर हो, साथ चलने वाला हो, समाज हो, हर व्यक्ति के पास इंद्रियां एक जैसी ही होती हैं। लेकिन उन्हीं इंद्रियों में से कुछ ऐसे भी लोग हैं जो किसी से आगे बढ़ जाते हैं। अब सवाल ये उठता है कि वो आगे कैसे बढ़ जाते हैं। एक समान की अनुभूति है, एक समान की पढ़ाई है, एक समान का पाठ्यक्रम है, एक प्रकार का स्कूल है, फिर भी कुछ आगे हो जाता है, कुछ पीछे छूट जाता है। तो इसके उत्तर के मैं यही कहूँगा, जो मेरा अनुभव कहता है। मैं लगभग 32 साल से मैं डीबीएस संस्था में हूँ और इन 32 वर्षों में मैंने कई उतार चढ़ाव देखे संस्था के साथ, और अपने इस कार्य सेवा में मैंने ये महसूस किया कि कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो सामने को देखने के बाद भी और जो उनको दिखाई नहीं पड़ता है उसमें भी उसको वो खोज लेते हैं। एक बहुत बड़े चिंतक थे, एकहार्ट टोले, उन्होंने कहा था, चीजों में अपने लिए कुछ ढूंढ लेना जो दूसरे नहीं खोज पाते, वही मनुष्य को खास बनाता है। ये बहुत ही सही बात थी कि हम अपने आप को खास कैसे बनाएं। शिक्षकों ने कहा, क्लास के अंदर हम जाते हैं, बच्चों के बीच समान व्यवहार करते हैं, समान तरह से उनको हम पढ़ाते भी हैं, लेकिन फिर भी बच्चों के अंदर वो तब बातें नहीं आ पाती, सारे बच्चों के साथ एक जैसा बात नहीं हो पाती। तो मैंने कहा, देखो ऐसा है कि मैंने वही बात कही आपको कि जो दृश्य और अदृश्य का आनंद एक साथ उठा ले, उस व्यक्ति को कोई फिर रोक नहीं पाएगा और वही अनुभव के आधार पर आगे बढ़ता है। तो इंद्रियां एक जैसी होते हुए भी सभी आगे नहीं बढ़ पाते, लेकिन हमें उनके अंदर की प्रतिभा को खोजना है। ऐसा नहीं है कि हम हार मान लें। हार मानने से, एक मिनट, हेलो,
यस सर, यू आर ऑडिबल।
हार मान लेने से हम कहाँ जाएंगे? थक हार कर बैठ जाना ये मनुष्य के फितरत में नहीं होता। मनुष्य को हमेशा प्रयत्न करते ही रहना है और उसी प्रयत्न के सहारे वह आगे बढ़ता है। आज हमारी संस्था 100 वर्षों के ऊपर की संस्था है हमारी, और इसका अपना एक नाम है। जहाँ जाइए, समाज में जाइए, कहीं किसी शहर में जाइए, डीएवी के नाम सुनते ही उनके मन में एक श्रद्धा का भाव पैदा होता है, क्योंकि इस संस्था ने एक संस्कार दिया है बच्चों में। और हमारे जितने भी सहकर्मी गण हैं, सभी उसी संकल्प के साथ जुड़े हुए हैं कि हमें इसको आगे ले जाना है ईमानदारी के साथ। और यही कारण है कि आज हम इस मुकाम पे पहुंचे हैं। परिस्थितियां आ रही हैं, बहुत विपरीत परिस्थितियां हो रही हैं, फिर भी हम आज अपनी उसी जगह पर डटे हुए हैं। मैंने सर लोगों को यही कहा कि आपको याद होगा, संसार में एक वर्ल्ड के बहुत ही बड़े फेम चित्रकार थे पिकासो के बारे में मैंने एक बार पढ़ा था। उन्होंने लिखा था कि बचपन में ये कबूतर रंग बिरंगे दिखाई पड़ते थे। अब कबूतर रंग बिरंगे दिखाई पड़े, क्लास के अंदर वो ड्राइंग का जब पीरियड होता था तो वो रंग बिरंगे कबूतर बनाता था। टीचर से पिटाई भी होती थी उनकी, और कहा जाता था कि वे कबूतर रंग बिरंगे नहीं होते। लेकिन उसके मन में यही बात बैठ गई कि कबूतर रंग बिरंगा होता है, और वो कबूतर के रंग बिरंगे चित्र ही बनाता रहा। उसके अंदर की जो ये लगन थी,
Sir, your voice is not coming.
था कि समुद्र से जो आने वाली हवा है वो बिल्कुल ही नीली है, अब नीली हवा है और उस नीली हवा का एक चेहरा भी है, उसे वो वहीं रेत पर बनाते थे और उनके मन में जो ये बात बैठी, यही रंग जो बैठा मन में, और उसके बाद वही आदमी आज इतना बड़ा चित्रकार हुआ पूरे संसार में। याद होगा आपको, महान क्रिकेटर थे आपके पाकिस्तान के पूर्व कप्तान इमरान खान। मुझे याद है जब तृतीय ये आपका विश्व क्रिकेट कप हो रहा था, तो शुरुआती मैच ही वो हार गए, उसके बाद दूसरे मैच में भी वो हार गए और उस वक्त वो बहुत ही मायूस होकर मैदान में बैठे थे। कहते हैं कि इमरान खान उस मायूसी में भी उन्होंने अपने आप को देखा कि वो स्टेज पर वर्ल्ड कप ले रहे हैं और पूरे स्टेडियम में तालियां गूंज रही हैं। और आपको पता होगा कि उसके बाद थर्ड वेव में तीसरी बार में वर्ल्ड कप का जो उनके हाथों में जो सौंपा गया, तो निश्चित तौर पे इमरान खान के जो सपने थे, ये जो अनायास उसको दिखाई पड़ा था, वह कैसे सामने सार्थक हो गया। मैं कहना चाहता हूं कि मनुष्य सपने देखे, हम क्लास के अंदर जाते हैं, हम अपने अद्भुत बना लें कि अपने उसी अध्ययन के माध्यम से हम सारे बच्चों को अपनी ओर खींचें, आकृष्ट करें, क्योंकि टीचिंग एक सम्मोहन है, दिल से पढ़ाई जाती है बात। एक रूटीन की तरह क्लास में गए और कुछ ब्लैक बोर्ड पे लिख दिया, बच्चों को होमवर्क दे दिया और क्लास से निकल गए, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए। मैंने सारे टीचर्स को यह एक मैसेज भी दिया कि अगर आप अपने विषय में हैं तो आपको मास्टर बनना होगा, इसके लिए आपको बहुत ही ज्यादा अध्ययन करना होगा, क्योंकि अगर आप अध्ययन नहीं करेंगे तो आपके पास मैटर नहीं होगा, और जब आपके पास मैटर नहीं होगा तो आप अपने विषय को बहुत ही रोचक ढंग से क्लास के अंदर नहीं पढ़ा पाएंगे। 50 बच्चों को पढ़ाएंगे, उसमें से 2 बच्चे 3 बच्चे ऐसे जरूर निकल के आएंगे जो आपकी तरफ आकृष्ट हो जाएंगे और उनके मन में आपके विषय के प्रति बहुत ही प्रेम पैदा होगा, लगाव पैदा होगा। ये लगाव पैदा करना है। तो मैं मोटे तौर पर यह कह सकता हूं मैडम कि जो ये 3 दिन का जो ये सत्र चला और आज समापन सत्र में मुझे बोलने का इतना बड़ा मौका मिला कि मैं आपके सामने मुखातिब हूं, मुझे बड़ी खुशी है कि मैं आपके सामने हूं। और इस पूरे सत्र का अगर हम सार संकलन निकालें तो इसके 3 शब्द में मैं इसको बता सकता हूं। पहला शब्द है शक्ति बोध, और दूसरा शब्द है सौंदर्य बोध, और तीसरा है
Okay, I think, all right. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your precious words. And definitely you have very well said that we are not only teachers, we have to enlighten the path of students as well. And we have to work accordingly. Now, with your great words, I would like to hand over this opportunity to Nisha Peshin ma'am, for whom I am eagerly waiting to listen. Nisha Peshin ma'am, who is the director of multiple public schools across states like Bihar, Odisha, Punjab, Delhi, and so on. She is not only director of public schools, as well as she is the director of DAV Center for Academic Excellence. So we all are eagerly waiting to listen you, ma'am. Please come forward and deliver the words of wisdom of yours to enlighten our paths and to motivate us with your words. Over to you, ma'am. Nisha Peshin, ma'am. Please.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for inviting me for your valedictory. And I was very carefully listening to all the deliberations, although I'm somewhere where the situation is such that I have to be only on audio and not on video. However, when Mr. Jana told me, so I was more than happy to come and be part of this this felicitation. And as far as training is concerned, at the outset, I must compliment and congratulate the ARO, Mr. Jana, the cluster heads, and the master trainers who worked for 3 days to further train the teachers. I always say that whenever there is a training, the output or outcome of a training depends on how much is being reached in the classroom. Whether master trainer is able to train the teachers and whether teachers are able to hone their skills so that their teaching learning process is better when they reach the classroom. So I wish that the training which is being given to teachers definitely reaches the classroom so that the process of teaching is better. While listening to the master trainers of science and English and maybe Hindi, I perhaps could not understand. I was expecting that they are going to share the takeaways. They are going to share what was actually delivered. I could not understand that from whatever deliberations took place. And I would definitely suggest to all the teachers, please stop preaching. Because there is so much of should. You should do this, you should do this, you should do that. I have taught them this. I am telling them to do this. That is not going to serve the purpose that you will say and they will do it. You have to set an example. I would have preferred if for Hindi or for science, I was made to understand what kind of things they did during training so that there are different approaches used while teaching. Like, for example, the case study approach, the analytical approach, how the application of knowledge can take place. So please, for God's sake, don't be preachers. Teachers, master trainers, cluster heads, principals are only facilitators and behave like one. Let us all behave like facilitators. The master trainers also, if we think that we have reached to the best, I think best has yet to come. That is what we all should keep in mind. When the training of master trainers happen, you all must have seen, those I'm addressing it to the master trainers, you must have noticed that many of the master trainers from different regions are doing much more than what we do. There is so much of learning which has to happen from our peer group. So whatever knowledge we have gained, please have the hunger for more and more knowledge so that you are empowered and you can really face the new generation. In today's time, the job of a teacher becomes harder day by day because earlier the teacher had the knowledge. She was seen as a superior person as far as knowledge is concerned. But now the computer, the Google has given access to everybody. So unless and until we are one up, children are not going to listen to us and they are not going to respect us. If they feel that the knowledge of a teacher is as much as that of a child. So are we working in that direction? are we trying to have those kind of inputs in our teaching learning process? Now, those are the things which I would like in the training programs. Pleasantries is all right. That is the culture of India. That is fine. But it should not be limited only to pleasantries. We have to showcase what we did actually in these 3 days and how that whatever we did is going to make a difference in a classroom situation. As I said just now, the job of a teacher has become more difficult because the teacher is teaching online. The parents can also watch you. And अभी तक तो ये था ना कि टीचर एक क्लास में रहती थी. Many a times if she was not prepared, she used to close the door and it was between teacher and the child, whatever was happening. And sometimes the principal used to open the door and enter the class and see the actual classroom situation. But now with virtual classrooms, your principal, your RO, your parent can enter the class and see how you're teaching. So please get geared up for that. Otherwise, when I'm saying we, I consider myself also a teacher. I'm part of that fraternity. We all are going to lose the respect vis-a-vis the parents and the generation, where still a teacher is considered to be somebody respectable. I am sure that this training is ultimately going to reach the classroom. I would suggest to ROs and cluster heads, please ensure that there is a change in the teaching learning process so that the classroom transaction is more activity oriented. It's more application based rather than just stuffing children with knowledge. बातें हम बहुत बड़ी बड़ी कर सकते हैं, वो तो आप प्रीचर का काम है, वो हमारा काम नहीं है. हमारा काम है जैसे एक सोल्जर फील्ड में जाके वो फ्रंट पे लड़ाई करता है, एक टीचर का काम भी ऐसा ही है. वो एक गाना है, बातें कम कर काम ज्यादा राजा, काम से होगा नाम ज्यादा राजा. So let us work and work. Let us sharpen our skills. You can interact with anybody. You can interact with the cluster heads and master trainers of any corner of India. If at all you are curious to know more. As far as Bihar as a zone is concerned, much is required to be done. अभी भी अगर हम बिहार के schools देखेंगे, I think barring one, there is no school which comes in an outstanding category. So that give us an idea how much hard work is required to be done by all of us. And in this hard work, I'm there with you anytime, anywhere. So let us all get geared up. My blessings are with you. God bless you. May God give you strength to bring Bihar as #1 zone of India. And at the end, I must thank Mr. Jana for inviting me for this interaction. As I said, we have taken steps in the right direction, and I must compliment you for that, bigger Chaya. So let us run. If we will not run, we will be left behind. With these words, thank you very much once again, and my blessings to you all. Thanks to everybody. God bless you all.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for your words.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for your advice and very useful word. Definitely, same thing. It will be transferred to the classroom itself. And ma'am, I ensure you, we are trying to uplift the academic standard as well as other excellence in this zone. So, Apurva,
Yes, sir.
please carry
Yes, sir.
forward.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir. Sure. Definitely, sir. We are going to prove, and let's take it as a task, and we are going to keep on #1 rank our Bihar zone. We are going to place on that position very soon, sir. We will work towards that.
Good. My blessings.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Truly, these words are very precious for all of us, and definitely we are going to work towards that. And one day you will feel proud because of us, for sure. I assure you from my side. Thank you, ma'am. And let's move forward toward the next page of this session. And for the homage and for the wrapping up of the addressing of this session, I would like to request our very respectable and honorable principal, Dr. P. Dhol, sir, to come forward to address the wrap-up session with his valuable words, who has conducted the webinar of science subject for primary, middle, secondary, and senior secondary level under his supervision, and of course, who is very literate and a man of science. So I warmly welcome you here, sir. And now it's over to you, P. Dhol, sir.
The supreme art of the teachers to awaken joy and creative expression and knowledge. Albert Einstein, once upon a time, when he was a teacher teaching physics, told to the teachers. So with these words, good evening, honorable souls, honorable Madam Dr. Nisha Peshin, Director PS2 and Director Academics, DAVCMC. Respected Sri A.K. Jana sir, Training Coordinator and ARO, DAV Public Schools, Bihar Zone F. Honorable ROs and ARO, dear colleague principals, master trainers, resource persons, teachers, one and all present over here. I cordially once again welcome to you this end of the session. I am told to precisely present a brief report on the 3 days webinar. I am really honored to be present before Madam to speak out a few words, expressing my viewpoints as well as the activities that has taken place in the 3 days webinar. A few takeaways also maybe sessions that has been taken place during the 3 days. The process of any training begins with preparation, planning, and then monitoring, then executing. So the first preparatory meeting was conducted under the chairmanship of the training coordinator, Jana sir, with 7 principals of the zone and master trainers. After the meeting taken in virtual mode, the master trainers and the principals were assigned subject-wise training needs to be collected from the subject teachers. The training needs were collected in form of virtual mode, in form of Google Sheets, and the training needs of all the subjects were collated, and they were classified on the basis of individual needs, common needs, and developmental needs. The developmental needs are the basic priority of this webinar, because the stereotyped workshops that had happened earlier was a little bit revamped here, in the sense that we had added the participants themselves. Other than the master trainers, the participants themselves are presented in all the sessions, one session. They were divided into teams, and each master trainer was assigned a team to work upon, guide them, and train them. The master trainers as well as the subject teachers in the team, they presented one session at least a day, and this was the basic change that has happened. And this time also some external resource persons were allowed, or invited rather, from other even universities like Sanskrit and some other subjects, to give more light on the new changes, on the academic changes and pedagogy. So a preparatory session, after the preparatory session, the broad areas were collected. The broad areas are now like this. The broad areas that were collected from the teachers are classified on the basis of these main areas, that is capacity building and subject enrichment, conduct of co-curricular activities and virtual lab activities with no cost and low cost experiments to be designed by the teachers at their homes in this situation, and use of open source learning platforms and apps for the teachers was discussed in large extent, in a great extent. And for this purpose, some other external resource persons were also invited. Computer persons were invited, one session in science. The other areas are recent developments in pedagogy, educational policies. Not only that, the workshops also prepared modules to talk on the physical and mental health of the students during pandemic, and also how to take care of the students' well-being during this social isolation for 2 years going on. Then developing foundational literacy and numeracy. This was the basic thing discussed in EEDP programs. And modules were prepared by the master trainers. I hope that that was delivered to the teachers, and I hope that it would be reaching to the classrooms without any constraint. And last but not the least, the theme of imbibing values and good habits was also incorporated in these workshops. So these are the broad areas or needs based on which topics were discussed, topics were planned, and schedule was made. And the schedule, detailed schedule, will be, madam, forwarded to you in due course of time for all the subjects. It has been collated and it will be forwarded by Honorable Regional Officer, sir. Number of sessions conducted per day was 4, and the time duration of each program, each schedule or each webinar was 60 to 8 minutes per session. And regularly, there are 2 to 3 sessions every day on capacity building only. The assessment of training outcomes, the learning outcomes of the teachers was also made this time by Google Forms. Attendances also regularly taken for session wise, and it was monitored thoroughly so as to make an effective presence of all the teachers. Around 300 plus teachers were trained in this webinar, including 10 to 12 teachers from other zones. And these are the processes, plans, and procedures adopted in executing this program under the able leadership of Sri Jana sir and principals. Behind every successful accomplishment of any program and policy lies many names behind. I would be failing in my duty if I do not express my thankfulness and gratitude for them. I take this opportunity to express my sincere and gratitude to the executive body members of DAV-CAE, headed by Most Reverend Dr. Poonam Suriji, Chairman DAV-CAE and President DAV College Managing Committee, for his stalwart dynamic leadership for the cause of education. My humble gratitude to Madam Dr. Nisha Madam, Director Academics, who has been a constant source of inspiration and instrumental in enriching the DAV-CAE platform by providing unstinted support for effective conduct of the need-based capacity building programs and giving free hand independence to the regional centers to innovate new ideas and implement and translate into the classroom situations. So I really am grateful to you, madam, for your endeavors that has been taking place unstintedly. The real motivator and guide, always striving to bring about excellence in pedagogy with visible quality enhancements occurring in this zone. I thank Sri Janasar, Honorable Training Coordinator and ARO. I express sincere gratitude to him on this occasion. My vote of thanks goes to all the center in charges, principals, resource persons, master trainers, and teachers for having collaborated so nicely that the webinar has been well conducted, well documented, and with a hope that this training imparted to the trainers, imparted by the trainers to the teachers, could be well translated into the classroom situation as Madam expected, to prepare a minimum 10 takeaways from this webinar. I ensure that I will prepare, with the help of master trainer and subject teachers, 10 takeaways of this webinar and forward to you, madam, to the regional directorate, so that we'll be having a sort of idea as to what level we have achieved in this webinar. So with this hope, I thank all of you for giving your valuable time and allowing me to take part and present my vote of thanks and briefing of the webinar sessions. I once again thank you. Jai DAV.
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable words, and thank you so much for enlightening us. Thank you once again to all of you for being a part of this, and special thanks and gratitude towards Dr. Nisha Peshin ma'am for being with us since beginning till now. Thank you so much, ma'am, again for giving us your precious time. You are truly an example for all of us. You're truly a live example of women empowerment, and certainly we are going to follow you for sure. And we are ready to take it as a task, and definitely we are going to, rise the name of this DAV in the entire zone. Thank you so much, madam, once again. Now, sir, A.K. Jena, sir, with your words, if you'll say, then we will go for the completion of the ceremony, and we will go for Santi part. So shall we start now? So now it's time for the Shanti part. So I request all the participants to sit properly in a proper mudra and to join your hands and close your eyes for the Shanti part. Now with this Shanti part, we came to the end of these 3 days of webinar. It's a bit emotional as well, but definitely, certainly being resource person, I assure that we have tried to give best to all our colleagues. We have exchanged our thoughts and opinions among all of us. And again, we are waiting for the next session of ours. We will come with some new ideas and techniques, whatever we are going to learn from our surroundings. We will always eager to learn something new and to implement in our classroom to make our teaching learning process more innovative, interactive, as well as interesting for our students. So thank you once again to all the resource persons, to our Nisha Peshin ma'am, to all the principals, to all the delegates, and to all the participants from the entire DAV family of Buxar Zone, Bihar Cluster, Bihar Zone F. Thank you so much for your wonderful participation, and thank you so much for the great and grand success of these 3 days of webinar. Thank you so much. With this hope that we will meet again and we will learn and explore with some new ideas and techniques. Thank you and have a good day. Stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Apurva. And thank you all the delegates, directly or indirectly, because the number of delegates indirectly joined, they're directly streaming through the YouTube, and around 90 persons directly joined with this Zoom platform. So I extend my deep regards to one and all, and special reservations for the master trainer, that their untiring effort and their skill definitely inspired our teacher participant, and hope at least if 50% of it, this new takeaway transact to the classroom, definitely that will be the beneficial for our children. Once again, I extend regards to one and all, to principals, those supervised, and time to time give the valuable feedback to the master trainer. I extend regard to them also. And Apurva, you deserve for the special applause.
Thank you, sir. Your words are just enough for me. Thank you so much.
So, as Madam advised us, this is not the end. Journey has started, but we wish to take our zone
at the top,
the highest level of excellence. As Madam told, it is really true.
Yes, sir.
In our zone, none schools stands in the outstanding zone. But if we work together, if we put our hands together, then definitely today or tomorrow we can win over, and we can prove our worth. With these words, once again, I pray to Almighty that she shower her all blessings and happiness to all of you. Please ensure your safety and provide safety to your surroundings. So with the words, once again, I greet one and all. Good evening, everybody, and Jai Hind, Jai DAV. Thank you, friends.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you. So let's leave the session, sir. Let's end here. Okay, sir.